Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of the Rugged Medicine YouTube channel. In today's episode I want to talk to you about this, a roll of tape. Actually this is the ReFactor Trauma tape, which allows you to record vital signs on one of these strips of tape and then simply tearing it off, sticking it to a patient such as to their shirt, and you can record vital signs, you can record injuries, and all those other things you might want to jot down, and instead of writing it on your gloves, you can put it on this tape, so if you change your gloves, you won't throw that away. So here you can see the tape up close. I've cut a piece off so you can see it very clearly and stuck it to a bit of cardboard so that it's easier to read. You've got from top to bottom body temperature, heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, pulse oximetry, GCS, Glasgow Coma Scale, drugs, and a small notes section. There is no space to put the patient's name, so I would recommend writing the name up top or just their initials so that you know that if it does come off the patient's uniform or there's multiple patients, that you actually know who this belongs to. So let's have a quick session of completing this. So let's call this patient's name Bob, just using a default permanent marker here. Body temperature 36.4 degrees Celsius, always put units just in case somebody else is working on Fahrenheit. Heart rate 72, respiratory rate 18. We're going to do blood pressure, let us say that is 110/75. Pulse oximetry 97%. Glasgow Coma Scale 15 out of 15. Drugs, none. And of course notes, you can add something such as whether you gained IV access, whether you put a splint on, whether you're immobilized. So let us say IV access. And then we put a time, so let's say 17:15. Right, so here you have a very brief summary. You just take the strip now, you can put it onto the patient, and then you have some basic information, a basic overview. Now as you'll see, the pen I'm using here is running a little bit, which means it's not as clear as it was when I first started writing, but you'll have to play around a little bit and see which pen works the best. I just used a Sharpie here, but I'm pretty sure other markers will work just as well. A ballpoint pen might also be an option. So this is just my quick overview of this tape. I purchased mine from UK Tactical here in the UK, but if you have a look at the ReFactor website, you'll see there are multiple shops all around the world that sell this. I think it cost $9.99 in the States, and I think it was a little bit more here in the UK. You also get a military tactical version, which is tan in color and has a Atmist in the notes section on the bottom, so you can actually prepare your pre-alert for the receiving facility. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I'll put the link in the description to the manufacturer of ReFactor. And if you like this video, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.